Uh-oh.
You can now buy... because it's Vin. He needs this now. You can now buy a 21,000 milliamp hour smartphone. But should you? The Oukatel WP19 is more like a power bank. Without its Which one did you have, Vin? You had something
10,000.
like that. It was a 10,000. And it was a weapon. The thing was an absolute weapon. It was dangerous. It was concealed carry.
It would take, well, this was, a while ago. It would take me almost a day to charge, and I'd have to,
This was Vin's phone. Look at the bull on the back. What happened? Was it too slow or just too much of a brick? What was the...
No, I gave it a go for an hour.
An hour?
No, a year.
A year.
There's a big difference between an hour and a year.
Eventually, it completely died.
What do you mean died? Died how? It wouldn't turn on?
Yeah, I forget exactly what happened.
Okay.
It just died. I've never had a phone completely go, but it went.
All right, so are you picking this one up then? The 21,000 milliamp. I mean, this is double your last one. The phone is going to set you back $744.
What are the...
The company promises the WP19 can last for a week with its battery, but also says you can expect 36 hours of video playback, 123 hours of music, 122 hours of calls, and 2,252 hours on standby, or just over 3 months. Anyway, they think you're going to use it a week without charging it. That's kind of compelling, Vin. Come on, you're not plugging it in. You're ready for it. It's a bit of a brick, though. Bit of a tank. Bit of a weapon. Are you ready for that?
No,
Super
I can't.
thick.
I can't.
You're not doing it.
The pocket. It's a problem in the pocket.
It's so thick.
The weight is the killer part. It's just weighing. The pants are falling down. You can't wear shorts. Staying with the design, the phone is equipped with IP68 water and dust resistance and mil standard 810G rating, side fingerprint scanner. Oddly enough, the device still has a slight camera hump. It's not fat enough. You have a camera hump. MediaTek Helio G95 4G, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 storage, and a 6.78 inch FHD plus 90 hertz LCD panel. Not picking it up, Vin, picking it up. We can do it. We can pick it up for the show, I guess.
How long to charge it? They don't...
Yeah, it doesn't say
it's got to be faster than it was in your day. You had micro USB back then, Vin.
Yeah, I know.
This is going to be faster than that, but I don't know how fast.
4 hours?
He just goes...
Like a caveman.
You know why you're doing that is because you kind of feel like you need it.
Yeah.
That's why.
I think you should try
You
it.
kind of feel like you need it.
We'll get it for you.
I think you kind of feel like you need it, Vin.
They don't say the weight either.
2 pounds.
No.
Apparently, Brevin has rolled his car, and there's an update. The car's on its side. I ordered a Tacoma to offset things.
Oh, okay.
Glad you sorted that out, Brevin. We appreciate your support in this.
Are you okay?
We appreciate your support in this unusual time. Okay. So, yeah, we'll pick it up. We'll do a video. No problem. 21,000 milliamp hour phone.